the heater being moved, the pill bottle being opened and pills scattered next to the female, the male decedent being located in a separate room of the residence, and no obvious signs of a gas leak. Gene's wife was found in the bathroom laying on her right side, and apparently she had been dead for some time. Gene was found in another room, and they think that he may have suddenly fallen. He was fully clothed. His sunglasses were on the floor. Both the fire department and the New Mexico Gas Company went to the scene and say that there were no signs of a gas leak. The bodies were discovered by 2 maintenance workers who said that they had not seen the couple for 2 weeks. When they arrived, the front door was ajar. But according to detectives, there were no signs of forced entry. Weird situation. Let me know your thoughts in the comments.